In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Sephora account to Canada. Take a moment to sign in to your Sephora account on a web browser. Use any browser you like, such as Chrome or Safari, but make sure you are on the official Sephora website. After you log in, you should see your name or account icon at the top of the page, along with options like your basket and favorites. If you do not see those, double-check that you are actually signed in and not browsing as a guest. Once you are signed in, go to My Account. You can usually find this near the top right of the page, often under your name or a profile icon. When you click it, a menu or account page opens that focuses on your personal settings rather than shopping. You should see sections like Orders, Beauty Insider Details, and Saved Addresses. Knowing you are in My Account is key because all your profile changes start from here. From there, open Account Details. This will be the section that controls your core profile information, not your shipping address or payment methods. When you click Account Details, the page should refresh and show fields like your name, email address, and sometimes your birthday and contact preferences. If you see those kinds of fields on screen, you are in the correct place to adjust your country setting. Now click Edit Personal Info. This turns those profile fields from read-only into editable boxes. You might see buttons or text change to indicate you are in edit mode, for example, the Save button becoming active. A beginner mistake here is to scroll too fast and miss the edit option, so move slowly and look for the words Edit Personal Info right beside your basic details. With edit mode open, change the country to Canada. Look for a field labeled Country, usually a drop-down list or selector. Click it once and a list of available countries should appear. Scroll through until you see Canada, then click on it so that Canada is now displayed as the selected country. In many regions, changing the country affects which products, prices, and shipping options appear, so do not be surprised if things look a bit different the next time you shop. After you select Canada, click Save. When you click Save, the page will usually reload or show a small confirmation message near the top or bottom. That message confirms your new country setting has been stored. Remember, country changes like this can only be made on the website, not in the app. So if you try this in the Sephora app, you will not see the option. Once the page settles, your Sephora account is now set to Canada. You have just updated your Sephora account country to Canada, so your profile now matches Canadian products and services. If this helped you switch to the Canadian site, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.